All right, everybody, we're going to change things up a little bit today. We're going to go back into the calipers on the F250. Passenger side one's giving me some of that thump noise again, so we're going to give it a look, see, put a brand new caliper on it. I have it right here in the box. Chicago steel. Going to put this bad dog back on it. Let's get to pulling the old one off. The tires off, and I can get under here without sticking my head under it too much here. Okay, put our support jack in there. Is this one? That's why, 13/16. Make sure we loosen this up. If we can get this on really quick, we'll do a flip around right while it's on there. And I dropped the other crush washer. Let's get this other 13/16 off here. What I basically did is I just took the feed line for the brake, excuse me, and connected it onto the new caliper. Have I been saying rotor? Let's get this off real quick. Wow, look at the mess. Down. Here's what it looks like cleaning it up. There's the new one. There's the bleeder. I already have those connected. Hang it so it doesn't put a lot of tension on that. And then we'll mount that back into these. We'll clean these up a little bit. And put it all back together. There's no grooves. It just looks like it burnt it because looks like it's all rusted. You never know it was a brand new one at once, like last year. Those faulty brake calipers. All right. Now, okay. Now this. Like that. Like that. Like that. All right, don't move. Okay. Okay. At these end, you want to go back over this again, and I'll clean that up. Spray this down. But oh, wrong one. I already have a wrench on it. Yeah, you'd never know that I just, these are only a year old. Not even a year old. Cleaning. I don't know where I heard that from. All right, give me a couple of minutes to get my brake bleeder cleaned up. And this is what we basically got. We took these two big bolts out, put them back in, put this back on. This is your feed. And now you have your bleeder, which is back here. You see where my finger is right there? That's the bleeder. I'll pop that off and we'll bleed these brakes out. Okay, we're back. Now, this is the contraption here. It simply just takes air. Instead of stepping on the brakes and having to use two people, it basically blows air through this side, and creates a suction through that hose, which connects to the bleeder valve right here. You open your bleeder, and once it's open, see the bubbles coming through that line? If I hold it steady enough, see them? And you do that until you get a nice solid flow. Okay, that should wrap it up. I'm going to just take it for a test drive, not going to bore you with that. And hope you enjoyed the video. Like, subscribe, it's free. And hit that notification button, that way there, when a new video comes up, you can take a look at it. Hopefully you enjoy the channel, and we'll see you on the next one. Maybe it'll be a landscaping video, not sure, could be. I don't know. We're going to try and do our best. Thanks for watching. We appreciate you. Later.